This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights? Once you have them, open Registry Editor as administrator. First, back up the AE debug key so you can restore settings if needed. Then locate HKey local machine /software /Microsoft /Windows NT /current version /AE debug and inspect the auto and debugger values. Make sure the application you'll debug is closed. This preflight prevents accidental corruption and explains why you must export the key before changing anything. It's a quick safety step that saves time if you must roll back. Now edit the values. Change auto to 1 to enable just-in-time handling. Next, edit debugger to the full path of your debugger executable plus any flags, for example. C /program files /windows kits /10 /debuggers /x64 /wind. exe p%ld e%ld. Make sure you pick the correct x86 or x64 debugger path, depending on whether the target process is 32-bit or 64-bit. Once done, close Regedit and be aware that incorrect path. Finish by testing. Run a development build that triggers an exception and confirm the configured debugger launches. If it does not, revert the AE debug key from your exported backup and reevaluate the debugger path and permissions. Make sure the debugger executable has proper privileges and is not blocked by antivirus. If problems persist, check Event Viewer for application error entries and debugger logs to identify permission or path issues. This explains why backups and logs are essential for quick recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.